just another quick video for you guys real fast. Y'all already know what it is because y'all seen the thumbnail or whatever. But I finally got me a Cognac MCM bag. I purchased this bag from Bloomingdale's. They were having like a little sale or whatever. So I purchased this bag. So let me show you guys what I got. Because y'all already know I have the black one. And this one actually came the way it's supposed to have came. So here it is. Y'all, this is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. Y'all, this brown is so pretty. This cognac is so freaking pretty. Oh my God. I love this color. Oh, that's so cute. Yes, cognac. Super duper cute, y'all. Oh, that is so cute. So anyway, here's the, I know y'all done probably seen a million videos, but I want to do mine. So here it is. And here's the bottom. I actually like this color better than my black one, which this is the one that I originally had wanted anyway. And y'all, they had a beige one on there, and I want that one as well, but I get it later. But that beige one sold super fast, and then one night late they had the red one on there, and child, that didn't last any time, so it sold fast too. So here's the inside of the bag. Y'all all know that it's reversible. Here's my little dust bag. Here's the little tag, but here's the interior of the bag. Super cute. Oh y'all, this cognac is so pretty. I really love this color. It's super duper cute. And I'm not going to make a long video on this because like I said, there are like several videos of this bag on here. And I don't want to bore you guys. But I just wanted to show you all that I did finally get one because I had been wanting one for a while. And here's the amazing pouch that goes along with it. So I want to show you all that. Nothing special. Oh, I can't wait to carry this one. But this is so cute. Anyway, y'all, so I got this from Bloomingdale's. And y'all know I told y'all that on my other video, I had ordered the cognac wallet on the chain from, what was that, Nordstrom's rack. And when I got the package or whatever, it wasn't the cognac color. They had sent me another black one, even though on the box it said cognac, the receipt it said cognac. When I opened the box, it was a black one. So I end up catching it on there again, because those sell out real fast. I end up catching it on there again, and I got this package I think like Saturday. I got this package Saturday. And y'all, I was so nervous when I got it because I was like, oh my God, I hope it's I hope it's the right one. So here it is. And y'all, this is my cognac one. Excited. So here it is. Y'all, I was so happy too because I was like, oh my God, I hope they didn't mess around and send me the same one. But here it is. And this is the Patricia wallet on the chain in the color cognac. And then the side of it is like a gold color, which is so cute. It actually goes with the one that they be selling, the cognac bag with the gold stripe. I think this is the one that goes with that. So anyway, I picked this up. And here's the, here's the inside of that. Super duper cute. And I did order a longer chain and a thicker chain to go with this or whatever. But here's the inside. Nothing special. Just want to show you guys that I do have my matching wallet to go with this one. And then I also have the matching wallet to go with my black one as well. And here's the chain that it comes with. And then here's your card, and then here's your other little thingy. And the little dust bag thingy is so cute. But yeah, y'all, here's my my little matching set. I am so excited. But y'all, if y'all don't have this cognac color, baby, it is so freaking cute. But I just want to show you guys my little set that I have finally. So now I can hush up about wanting the cognac because I got it. And I do have a couple of more other videos coming for you guys because I did purchase another MCM item, and I will do a video when it comes because I'm excited, super excited about that one. So like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will eventually do a what's in my bag once I carry this bag. So just so y'all know, because I need to get better with that or whatever. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.